Okay, so we have problem number 2. For a given soil sample, it has a specific gravity of 2.74, moisture content of 16.6%, and moist unit weight of 20.6 kilonewton per cubic meter. Compute the porosity, the buoyant unit weight, and the weight of water in kilonewton to be added per cubic meter of soil for 90% degree of saturation. Okay, so we have problem to solution. Okay, so given for this problem, we have given, so we have specific gravity that is denoted as GS is equals to 2.74, and then we have moisture content mega that is equals to 16.6%, and we have moist unit weight or gamma moist that is equivalent to 20.6 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, so what's the first question? So the first question is we're going to compute for the porosity of the soil, that is N. Okay, so how to solve for this one? So we're going to determine first what are the given. So these are the given. And then what equations to use. Okay, so we have this N. So wait. So we have equations for N such as N is equals to E over 1 plus E. But we need to find first the value for E. So to get the value from E, we need to examine the given. So from the given, we have only specific gravity, moisture content, and the unit weight. So we have to think of some equations of which most of the given are involved. So we have, for example, to get the equation with E, so we have the equation gamma dry, which is equals to GS times unit weight over 1 plus E. So we can get the value for E here to be used in here. But then we don't have the value for gamma dry. But the gamma dry has another equation that is equivalent to gamma dry is equals to gamma moist all over 1 plus moisture content. So we can solve the problem using some of the formulas in here. So in this case, to get the gamma dry, we have moist unit weight, we have the moisture content. So these are present in our given. So we can use this first, and then we can move to other equations later on. Okay, so let's try to solve first the gamma dry. Okay, so the gamma dry is equivalent to the gamma moist over 1 plus the moisture content. Okay, so we have gamma dry is equals to the given here 20.6 all over 1 plus, in a decimal form we have 0.166. So the gamma dry in this one is, so we have 17.67 kilonewton per cubic meter. So we have additional given. Write na lang dito, no? So we have gamma dry is equals to 17.67 kilonewton per cubic meter. Next, so since we have already gamma dry, we're going to solve for the value for another equation. We're going to use another equation to get the value of E. So we have the equation gamma dry is equals to GS, or specific gravity, times unit weight of water all over 1 plus E. So to get the value of E, we're going to derive the equation that is equivalent to E, cross multiply. So we have GS times unit weight of water over gamma dry minus 1. So we're going to substitute the values. So we have E is equals to specific gravity 2.74 times the unit weight of water 9.81 all over the gamma dry value, that is 17.67 minus 1. So let's compute. So our void ratio here is equals to 0.52. So we have additional given, that is E is equals to 0.52. So we can now solve for N. So for the N, we have N is equals to E over 1 plus E. So substitute the values. We have E, that is 0.52 all over 1 plus 0.52 or 1.52. So our N here is equals to 0.343421 or 34. So that's the value of our N.